Okay guys, there's two different kind of vinyls. There's the regular vinyl, that's from the Dollar Tree, and then you got the glitter vinyl from the Dollar Tree. But let me tell you about this one. This one's way more thinner than it is than the regular vinyl. So with the settings, I had to create my own settings, and I'll show you guys right now how I did that. So you go to your custom material settings and you go all the way down to create a new one, and I just put in Dollar Tree vinyl and then click save, and it'll take me all the way back up to the top, and then it'll give me a choice. I put it down on 70 because that's the lowest it goes, and that's the one I prefer for the Dollar Tree vinyl. Okay guys, I put the settings down on the Dollar Tree vinyl that I made. Under the regular, I put it under the default, because you're going to learn with the glitter, you're going to have to put it under the less. I'll show you a video on that as soon as I'm done with this one. This one's on the regular vinyl, and you put it under default. So I'm making lips, and I'm cutting them out right now. I speed it up a little bit so you can see, and I put it under the default pressure. When it comes to glitter, you have to put it under low, and I'll show you the final results right now. So here are the lips that I did. Very simple. So to transfer the paper, I had to use the Cricut transfer paper because I realized the Dollar Tree's transfer paper is very sticky, and any other one is very sticky and it will not apply. Just let you know now.